A straw house will do just fine. Surely I'm in no danger in these magical woods. Who would want to hurt a happy little piggy?
Please don't find me. They're not just bullies. There's something wrong with them.
Where did that little freak go?
Probably crying wee, wee, wee all the way home.
Is that what you're doing? Crying? Little loser.
Wait, I think I hear something over this way. Follow me.
Oh, it's getting pretty dark. Better get inside. The big bad wolf could be lurking around here.
I think they're gone.
Hiding? Oh, come on. You're such a coward.
Gotcha, freak.
Ah! No way! You're just trying to eat me! Stop! Don't hurt me!
I'll only hurt you for a second, piggy.
That one's for running.
That one's for hiding.
And that one's just because I want to.
Why are you doing this? Stop, please.
Shut up, twerp. The teacher's inside. No one's gonna hear you scream.
Yes, accept your fate. You could never overpower me. I wasn't supposed to be like this, pig. They made me this way. And I accepted that a long time ago.
Wolf, someday you'll pay for this.
What I'm doing is justified. You're just like the others. You'd never understand.
I just gotta get home.
Aw, who's gonna go cry to mommy?
Wait, I want a souvenir. Empty your pockets, loser.
I don't have any money. Just let me go.
Wow, you actually were gonna cry to your mommy. What a baby.
No!
Listen up. You tell anyone what we did, and it'll be way worse next time.
How can it be worse than this?
You don't want to find out. Got it?
Okay.
You want to clean up that mess. No one likes a litter bug.
I gotta try to tape the pieces back together. Mom's gonna be so mad. Ouch! I wish I could stand up to those jerks. Make them pay for treating me like this. But I'm too weak. And like they said, I don't want to know what it'll be like next time if I fail.
I don't know what happened to my brother, but surely it could have been avoided with a stronger home. That's why I will be using sticks. Much sturdier than straw, unlike my poor brother. Though, the collapsed house doesn't explain the blood.
Don't worry, little piggy. You'll know what caused it very soon.
Say, looks like the nerd doesn't want to play catch today.
Maybe he'd rather play dodgeball.
Don't let it get to you. If you get upset, they win. And if they don't win, they won't mess with you. I hope.
Man, he is really being a freak today.
He wasn't even budging. Are we losing our, scariness?
Maybe, but I warned him it could get worse. I think it's time to show him exactly what we meant. Look what I got for my pops.
Ain't that pretty dangerous?
Yeah, that's the point, isn't it?
What? No! There's no way! No! No!
heck's gotten into you?
Come on, it was just a joke.
You really are a freak. Come on, let's get out of here. Now you know what it's been like for me all these years.
You may have killed me and my younger sibling, but our older brother will avenge us. He's smart, hardworking. He'll find a way to end you.
It's not my fault. It was those bullies. They made me into who I was, didn't they? They're the real monsters. Them and that witch.
I heard you're a witch. I need your help.
Do tell, my dear boy.
I need to become immortal. A bloodthirsty and cruel creature. Something so powerful no one can stop me. Mankind must pay for what happened to me. Can you help me with that?
It would be my pleasure. And what form of beast would you like to be?
A wolf?
And what is your greatest fear?
Fire.
So be it.
I can feel it. The rage. The hatred. The power.
Nothing will be able to stop you now. You'll be able to live forever, as long as you avoid your one weakness, fire.
Thank you.
Now go. Follow the path they put you on.
Oh no, it's getting dark. I gotta finish building this house right now, before the big bad wolf finds me. He can't blow down a brick house, right?
Little pig, let me in.
Not so fast, wolf!
No, what are you doing with that?
We've got you now!
Good luck getting out of this one!
Bye-bye, big bad wolf.
I avenged my brothers. You got what you deserved, you evil creature.
You freed me!
Why did you do all this?
It wasn't me. It was them. I never wanted it to end like this.
I had to stop you. You would have kept killing.
Yes, but it doesn't matter now. I am free.